Ever notice how the more you stay silent in a situation, the more everything around you seems to fall apart? It's almost like by not engaging, you're allowing things to collapse on their own. The chaos, the noise, the drama. When you step back and don't get swept up in it, it starts to unravel. This isn't some random coincidence. It's actually the power of mindfulness and Stoicism at work. When we talk about silence, we're not just talking about shutting your mouth. We're talking about an inner calm, a deliberate decision to avoid getting entangled in external chaos. Stoics like Marcus Aurelius believed in the strength of controlling one's reactions, rather than being reactive to everything happening around them. The world doesn't need your immediate response to every little thing. Sometimes your silence is the most powerful tool you have. Think about it. When people are at their most frantic, they crave a reaction. They want you to jump into their storm with them, to shout back, to engage in the mess. But what happens when you stay silent? When you choose not to get involved, you give them space to crumble. Their power comes from your attention, your reaction, and when you withhold that, they're left standing in their own chaos. Silence isn't about weakness, it's a signal of strength. You're not allowing the world's noise to dictate your peace. Instead, you're standing firm, choosing to hold your ground while others flounder. When you make that choice, you'll start to notice how much more clarity you have in situations where others are flailing. You become the calm in the storm, watching as they unravel themselves. It's a remarkable thing, and it's all part of living mindfully and embracing Stoic wisdom, ready to see what happens when you let go of the need to react. Stay tuned. Now, you might be thinking, but if I don't respond, won't I just let people walk all over me? That's a fair question, but here's the thing. Silence doesn't mean submission. It doesn't mean you're passive or that you're letting others control the situation. In fact, it's the opposite. Silence gives you the power to choose your actions, rather than being swept up in impulsive reactions. Consider how often we get dragged into arguments or drama just because we feel the need to speak up or defend ourselves. It's as if the moment someone throws a jab, we feel compelled to fire back. But Stoicism teaches us that it's not the words or actions of others that truly matter. What matters is how we respond. And sometimes, the best response is no response at all. When you stay silent, you're not abandoning the situation. You're taking a moment to observe, to reflect, and to see what's truly going on beneath the surface. Often the chaos of others comes from their own fears, insecurities, and struggles. And when you don't engage, you're allowing them the space to work through those issues themselves. You're not enabling their storms to distract you from your own peace. Silence is also a form of self-control. Instead of letting the world dictate your emotions, you're choosing to stand firm in your own centeredness. The more you practice this, the stronger you'll become at holding your peace, regardless of the external noise. And here's the kicker: when people see you unshaken, they start to realize their own instability. They start to question their own actions. Your silence becomes a mirror to them, showing them where they need to grow. So, next time chaos erupts around you, don't feel like you have to jump in and solve it. Let it unfold. Watch what happens when you just stay silent and let them crumble on their own. You'll be surprised at the strength that comes from simply staying grounded and unreactive. Here's where the magic happens. When you let others crumble in their own noise, you're not just giving them space to figure themselves out. you're also making room for your own growth. By stepping back and choosing silence, you're not just detaching from their chaos, you're learning to detach from the things in life that have no true value. Think about how often we cling to things that don't serve us. The opinions of others, the pressure to conform, the constant need to be right. When you stop engaging in these trivial battles, you free up emotional energy for the things that truly matter. Your peace, your purpose, and your own inner strength. In the Stoic tradition, the idea of focusing on what's within your control is key. You can't control other people's actions, but you can control how you respond to them. By choosing silence, you're asserting control over your emotions, and by doing so, you start to recognize the difference between what you need to react to and what's just noise. This kind of mindful detachment allows you to step away from unnecessary stress. It helps you break free from the constant cycle of trying to fix, argue, or prove yourself in situations that don't require your energy. As you practice silence, you'll notice how much more space you have for clarity, wisdom, and personal growth. And here's the most powerful part. This isn't a one-time fix. It's a muscle you build over time. So let the noise continue. Let others spiral and lash out. Your silence is a shield that protects your peace. And as you practice this, you'll find that the more you stay silent, the more you begin to understand yourself, your strengths, your values, and the power of your own unshakable center. When you remain unreactive, you'll see the world with a clarity you've never had before. And that's where true growth begins. As you grow more comfortable with silence, you'll begin to notice something extraordinary. Your relationships with others will change. At first, people might find your silence unsettling. They might expect you to engage, to react, to be part of the drama. But over time, something will shift. You'll become the one they turn to for calm, not for chaos. And here's why. When you stop giving in to every emotional tug, you become someone who knows how to hold space, not just for yourself, but for others too. The beauty of silence is that it allows you to listen, and when you truly listen, without the urge to interrupt, without the pressure to give advice, you start to understand people on a much deeper level. You see past their words, their defenses, and their masks. You start to understand their fears, their struggles, and what they really need. And more often than not, it's not an immediate reaction they're seeking. It's simply someone who can offer them the gift of presence. In Stoicism, the idea of practicing empathy and understanding is crucial, but it doesn't mean you have to give away your peace. In fact, by staying silent in moments of emotional turmoil, you create space for others to express themselves fully. And in doing so, you become a silent force of stability in their lives, helping them to find their own answers without you having to say a word. But here's the thing, this power doesn't come instantly. It's a gradual process. The more you practice staying silent, the more you build this emotional muscle, and over time you'll begin to see how less truly is more. Less reaction, less engagement, less unnecessary conflict. More peace, more clarity, more strength. The longer you stay silent, the more you start to see the bigger picture. The more you allow the world to reveal itself without interference. And in that space, you'll discover the quiet power of a mind that chooses not to react, but simply to observe. It's in this space that you'll find your true strength. So embrace the silence and let it show you the strength you never knew you had. The longer you stay silent, the more you realize just how little the chaos of the world actually needs your response. Silence isn't about avoiding life. It's about choosing to engage with it on your own terms. When you stop reacting impulsively to every stir around you, you gain a level of clarity that most people never experience. And in that clarity, you find peace, strength, and a deeper understanding of who you really are. By practicing mindfulness and Stoic detachment, you begin to see that the most powerful response is often no response at all. You allow others to deal with their own struggles while you remain grounded in your own. And as you do this, you'll notice how the world starts to shift. The noise will grow quieter, the drama less frequent, and the clarity of your inner world will shine brighter. So, the next time life throws you a curveball, remember, you don't have to jump into the storm. Stay silent, stay centered, and watch as the world around you starts to crumble on its own. That's the quiet strength of Stoic mindfulness, the ability to remain unshaken no matter how loud the world gets. And in that strength, you'll find your true power.